Okay, the bespoke jewellery. Now we've got a workshop, and we've got a lady that comes in called Rachel who can produce and hand make jewellery, which we do on site. But we provide a few forms of bespoke. So first of all, if you've got an old piece of jewellery which is tired and worn, we can breathe a bit of life back into it. We can repolish it. Tidy up the settings if it needs doing, whatever it takes, but we can bring it back to its as good as its new condition as possible, which isn't bespoke, but you don't necessarily have to rework a piece of jewellery to get it back to how you want it to be. Secondly, you might have an old engagement ring, or any ring for that matter, that is just too worn now, and you're in danger of the stones falling out, and it's just not possible to repair it. So we can rebuild the ring. We can rebuild it in an identical form to what you've got, either by making it, or we can buy component pieces of jewellery from companies where we can buy like the setting, just the head, and then we can buy the shank separately, or we can buy the earring setting and the post separately, or whatever you want to reproduce, really. That's probably the easiest way. It's basically like putting things together and ending up with an end product which is going to look the same as the original, or you might want to change the style of it slightly and have something different. And then our other bespoke service is if you come in and you're looking for a piece of jewellery and you haven't seen exactly what you want in our shop, or any other shop for that matter, you can describe it to us and we can make it, or you can show us a picture of something and we can reproduce that picture exactly, or we can design something for you if you explain what sort of thing you're after. It's called a CAD design service, where we can obtain like a computer generated image, which will be exactly like the finished article, so you will actually see what it's going to look like before we make it. So those are like the main forms of bespoke service. I mean, that's for rings obviously, but we do we can make bangles, we can make, not chain so much, a lot of chain is made by machine now, but we can make pendants, earrings. We can make many things, but mainly it's rings that we make for people, yeah. A celebration ring of some sort, or to rejuvenate an old ring that you've had for quite a few years, yeah. So that's the bespoke service.